Asking PA Properties employees which national hero would they want to be for a day.
For me, Apolinario Mabiling, despite of his disabilities, he still volunteered to achieve the freedom of our country.
I want to be Marcelo H. Del Pilar because I want to know how it feels to use your creativity for a greater purpose.
General Luna. Ayun, I admire kasi General Luna for being dedicated for independence ng Pilipinas, and then yung military strategy niya during Philippine-American War.
I would choose Julian Felipe, the composer of Lupang Hinirang, our national anthem, because gusto kong gamitin yung talent ko for our country.
Kung bibigyan ako ng pagkakataon na maging isang bayani sa isang araw, ang pipiliin ko ay si Dr. Jose Rizal. Dahil sa henerasyon ngayon, maraming kabataan ang nakakalimot ng pagiging isang Pilipino. At ipapaalala ko sa kanila na ang kabataan ay yung pag-asa ng bayan.